Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll in Dave Credit Builder. If you don't have a Dave Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Profile. Under Extra Cash is an option that says Manage Credit Builder. Tap on Manage Credit Builder. Next, tap on Learn More. Review the following details. Note that, once you tap Enroll, Dave will begin sending your advanced settlement history to the credit bureaus. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, tap on Enroll. That's how you enroll in Dave Credit Builder. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.